Hi, it's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. As a makeup artist, I get asked this all the time. How do I quickly shave off years of my face? My response is, wear brow makeup. I'm going to show you real quick the Amaterasu liquid brow liner. The reason I love this formula is it goes on very natural and sheer. See how I'm very sparse here? Well, let me show you a real quick trick. So I'm applying it, I'm gliding it on without really pressing down. You don't need a lot of pressure for the ink to go on. For the tail end of it, if I needed more coverage, I'll let it dry for a few seconds and then add on a bit more. Do you see the difference? So with brow makeup, it gives your face an immediate lift very, very quickly compared to this.